Hi, I'm Dr. Nielsen with Nuvia Dental Implant Center. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 reasons why dental implants are so popular. Reason number 1 why dental implants are so popular is because we can get the teeth to look however we want. We can communicate with the lab and put whatever tooth we want to on top of the dental implant. So we get a very, very good aesthetic look. We can match it very closely and almost perfectly to the teeth surrounding, and we get a perfect function as well. We can get the shape perfect so it matches between your natural teeth and against your opposing teeth. Reason number 2 is that implants are long-lasting and reliable. With proper care, coming into your dentist regularly for cleanings and checkups, getting x-rays regularly, they can last just as long as other restorations, a lot of times even longer. The number 3 reason dental implants are so popular is that there's such a high success rate. A lot of different studies say different things, but they're all about a 92 to 97% success rate, which is actually higher than a lot of other dental procedures that that people commonly get. They have a higher success rate than root canals, and a lot of times have a higher success rate than just a natural tooth crown. All right, the number 4 reason is that dental implants give you your function back, your ability to chew again. And they do more than that. Just being anchored in your bone actually stimulates your jawbone to stay around so you don't get future bone loss. Because if you just had a missing tooth and you just left that for a long period of time, that bone would get resorbed, go other areas. But when you have an implant placed in the bone, it stimulates the bone to stay around and stay for longer. So it gives you that function back. Number 5 is improved facial and bone features. And I don't know if you've ever known anyone with a denture or partial. A lot of times when they take those out, their face just kind of caves in. So having dental implants helps you restore that, helps support your lips and your cheeks. It also helps to keep from destroying teeth on either side of where a dental implant is placed. Because if you didn't have a dental implant, what you'd end up getting is probably a bridge, and then for that you have to pretty much destroy the structure around the tooth in front and the tooth behind that space to make the bridge, so you could seat the bridge on. But with a dental implant, you get to skip that, so you get to keep from destroying 2 perfectly good teeth, and you get to place an implant right between those. And like I said earlier in this list, it helps keep more bone around, and then that helps your facial structures in general just stick around and be more aesthetic. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like to see any more, you can click over here. Or if you'd like to see if you're a candidate for permanent teeth in 24 hours, you can take our 60-second quiz, and you can take that up here.